up, YouTube? It's your girl Boo, and I'm back, and I'm back, and I'm back with another video for y'all. So y'all already know I'm coming with another how-to video for y'all. So in this video, I know y'all seen that thumbnail, I know y'all read that title. I'm going to be showing y'all how to put screen recording inside of your videos. People have been asking me how to do this, so I wanted to go ahead and take this time and show y'all exactly how to get the screen records to show in your videos with the phone to make it look more realistic or whatever. But yeah, y'all, if you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you comment down below if it's anything that you want to see in my next video. But we're gonna go ahead and get straight into this video, y'all, because it's real simple, it's easy. This is not gonna be a long video, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. So first thing first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and get your screen record. So have your screen record video ready, and then we are going to be using the app called CapCut. That's where we're going to be going and adding our overlay in to add the phone. And so first we want to go ahead and go to Google. So it don't matter where you go, to Chrome, Safari, it doesn't matter. And then you just want to go ahead and type in iPhone. So whatever iPhone you have, just go ahead and type that in. I'm not sure about any other phone, because I do have an iPhone 11. So for me, I would just choose iPhone 11 PNG. And then you want to go ahead and find a PNG image of the phone. So once you find that, you just want to hold it down, save it to your images, and then just make sure that it's transparent like this one, so that way you don't see that checkered background in the back. So once you got that, we're going to go ahead and head on over to CapCut. So that's pretty much all you need. Just the phone case, and you need to make sure that it's transparent. And we're going to go ahead and enter into CapCut. So you're going to add video that you're recording. So if you want to go ahead and make it as a screen record, like I'm going to show you now, you can do that. And then you can also make it as just like an overlay over another video, and I'll show you that as well. First, we're going to go ahead and add, I'm just going to go to new project. And I'm going to try to find just one that I already have, like a screen record that I already have in my phone. So this looks like one here. So I'm going to go ahead and add this. Okay, so this is an image of a screen record that I already did for another video. And so I'm going to go ahead and show y'all exactly how I can get this to look like, you know, more realistic. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the volume all the way down on this. First, you want to go ahead and go to overlay at the bottom. You want to hit add overlay. You want to go to your photos and find that image of the phone that you downloaded, the PNG. And then, like I said, make sure it's nothing on the background. And here is mine. So I'm going to hit add. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to size it up to make it as big as my phone, to make sure that everything fits. And this is a good fit here. And then to size it up, you just want to tap on it and stretch it all the way out. And yeah, and then once you do that, you can just go ahead and hit it. And then you want to make sure you drag it all the way to the end of your video. And then what you can do is, I normally just go ahead and add a background. So let me fix the format on this. And I'm going to go to background. And then so what you want to do the format, you just want to put it to 16 by 9. And then that way it'll go ahead and shrink down to a phone size. And then I'm going to go all the way back to the beginning here where the phone is at. And I'm going to stretch it all the way down to where now it fits perfectly here. Once you have it like that, you can go ahead and add a background as well. So I'm just going to go to canvas at the bottom here. I'm going to hit background, and I'm just going to choose a background color. And that is simple as that, y'all. This is how you put a screen recording inside of a video. And then I'm going to go ahead and also let it play for y'all so you can see exactly what it'll look like. Super easy, y'all. Like, that's literally all you have to do is just make sure that you download your correct phone size as a PNG, and then when you save it to your camera roll, and then if you edit in CapCut, which it'll be pretty easier to do. You see, it didn't take that long to do that. I normally use iMovie as well, but this is really easier for me. All you have to do is download the phone case that you want, your phone size, and then just go ahead and add it into CapCut as an overlay. And then, like I said, you can hit canvas, and then you can hit background, and you can change the background on it as well, and just make it to whatever you want it to be. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to come on here and show y'all this quick video on how to get screen recording inside of your videos. And then also you can do it inside of any other video. So instead of the background just being plain like this, let me go out and show you. You can go to the plus sign, add a video. So say, for instance, if you're doing a video, which I'm going to go ahead and try to find a video that I already have recorded here. So I'll add this one. It's a quick clip, and then I'm going to turn the volume all the way down here. And then so what you can do is, how I have this now, I can then just go to overlay. So say, for instance, if I wanted to talk to you guys and I also wanted to have my screen recording on the screen as well, I'm going to go ahead and find overlay here. And then once you hit overlay, you just want to hit add overlay. We're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to add our phone case, the size of our phone, our PNG image. We're going to hit add. We're going to go ahead and size it up to how big we want it to be. And you can place it to the side there, just so that way you have enough room to still be able to see what you're doing on the actual screen. Just press on the phone and you just drag it all the way down to how long you want it to be. So then once you do that, we're going to go ahead and add an overlay again, and we're going to go ahead and add our screen record video that we have. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a screen record. And then so what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if it works better if I remove this and then go ahead and set this to the side, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit add overlay again, and I'm going to go ahead and choose our frame again, so that way it's laying on top of the screen record. Then choose your phone, and then go ahead and size it up to as big as you want it to be, and there it is. So now that looks much better. So now the phone, your actual phone, the PNG image is actually on top of that screen record now. So now that looks a lot better. So we're gonna go ahead and drag it all the way down to where we want it to be, and then I'm gonna show you exactly what it'll look like from here. You can line it up as much as you want to make sure it's right on there. So yeah, y'all, that is how you add a screen record inside of a video, any video. So if you have any other questions that I didn't cover in this video, just make sure you comment that down below. And you already know I will catch y'all in my next video. Hey.